Hey, my name is Mitchell Miller, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 must-haves in every offer you make so it's irresistible to your market. I'm hoping this video is going to shed some light on you, and ultimately it's going to help you sell more because these you need these in every offer that you make. So if you want to find out what they are, stick around to the end, you won't be disappointed. Now, if you browse the wild, that is the internet, and you go and take a look at physical products or information products, if you look at this really successful ones, they all have these 3 things in common, and then the ones that didn't do too well or kind of flopped didn't include these. So these 3 things I'm going to share with you are literally that important. And the point of this video is to help you make better offers to your market. So let's get right into it. So the first one is going to be bonuses, or another name for these are premiums. These are just free things that you're giving away with your offer or with the main product you're trying to sell, as bonuses would be a part of the offer, okay? Now, we want to include free bonuses or free premiums in every offer we make simply because it makes the perceived value of your product much higher, okay? If you're selling something for $297, but you're giving away $10,000 worth of free bonuses, it's gonna make buying this a no-brainer, right? So people love good bargains, and this is how we go about creating them, is by adding more and more, or adding as many free things to your offer that we can, because again, the more we can raise that perceived value of what your future customer is getting, the more likely they are to buy, simply due to the fact that it's a really good deal, everything you're giving for what you're asking for and price-wise. So let me give you an example of a physical product and then an informational product. Say for the physical one, you're selling a weight loss tea or like a fat burning tea. Since weight loss is very popular in the health and wellness industry, a fat burning tea would do really well for this example, okay? So you have your fat burning tea and you're selling it for, let's say, $20 plus shipping and handling, right? That's gonna be the main product. What you can do then as bonuses is you can include a free PDF on low calorie or low carb foods for people to eat to help them keep the fat off. That's one bonus that you can include. Another bonus that you can include with these teas would be like another PDF, or it could be, you know, videos that they can watch on different core exercises that they can do at home or at the gym to help tighten up their stomach and also keep the fat off. Those would be 2 ways that you can add bonuses to a physical product. And since I said those are PDFs, you could send those with an email with the receipt, if assuming it doesn't come with the actual physical product. Or if you collect their email and the receipt is physical, then you can just send them an email with those, okay? Now, you can also include another physical product with their purchase of a physical product. Just make sure that the shipping and handling covers the cost to send that additional physical product, otherwise you're going to be losing money. Now, if it's an information product, let's say you're selling a course on basic obedience training for your dog, you can include a PDF on the best toys, best treats, and best foods for your dog to stay healthy, so he or she doesn't need to go to the vet regularly. If you have video trainings of you teaching a dog to do cool tricks, you can also include those. And you can also give away your most preferred list of, like dog accessories like leashes, harnesses, e-collars, different training treats or different training tools. You can just include those with the course. So you're giving away a course on basic dog obedience, but then they get a free PDF on what foods they should be eating to stay healthy and avoid the vet, and then the best kinds of or the best products that you recommend to make training as easy as possible, and then free cool videos on how to teach your dog how to play dead, or like we say, like bang and they roll over or something like that, okay? Those are all extra bonuses that you can include with this information product on how to train your dog. So the idea here is to give away extras no matter what they are to go with your main product. These could be templates, these could be videos, these could be PDFs. I've even got t-shirts before. But just make sure you assign a dollar value to each one of these bonuses. Even if it doesn't have one, assign it some kind of value. Just make one up, okay? Because free offers or free bonuses aren't perceived as valuable, but if you give it a price tag, then even if it doesn't cost that much, just give it a price tag, but make it believable. You don't want to say that a PDF that took you 2 minutes to write is worth $9.97 if it's not. This way you can add to that perceived value that the person's going to be getting from your bonuses by buying your main product. Now, the second one is going to be a guarantee. So in this day and age, you need a guarantee. People have heard it all, they've seen it all, they've bought products that said they were the best thing since sliced bread only to find out that they really sucked. People are jaded, they're skeptical, they've got questions, comments, and concerns. We want to take as much risk from buying our product away that we possibly can so people feel more comfortable giving us money. So for a guarantee, there's a few different things that you can do, but I'm gonna give you 2 ways that work pretty well in this video. And the first way is gonna be by making it time-based, okay? So what I mean by time-based is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, 180 days. The longer the guarantee is, the better, simply because people forget things over time. Okay, so if you have a guarantee for your product that's 180 days long, that might increase the pulling power that your offer has simply because they have a longer duration to return your product. But on the other side, because they have so long to return your product, more than likely they're going to forget that they even have that guarantee, so they might not return your product. So the second way would be to make it sound really cool, okay? An example of this would be like a spin-off of, if it doesn't work, it's on me. So let me give you an example of what I mean, okay? I'm gonna read this directly from my computer screen right now so I don't mess this up. So I absolutely 100% guarantee you'll love this book so much, and if it doesn't help you consistently and easily bring in new customers weekly or even daily from all the magic you'll learn, go ahead and send me an email and I'll return your money, no questions asked, and I'll even let you keep the book and bonuses. That's how confident I am this will work for you. So that would be an example of like how to write a really cool guarantee that also is going to be giving them their money back and they can still keep the bonuses. So that would be really good for like information products. And the reason why is because if you make an information product, it probably didn't cost you anything to make. So it's okay to let them keep the product because it's going to make them seem like, hey, if I ask for this back, I'm going to be punching this dude in the face. He's going to be losing money from this, all right? We want to make your guarantee seem like it's going to financially ruin you, for lack of better words there. Now, the last one we're going to cover is a reason to order now. This is known as sales pressure. This motivates a buying decision. See, people are lazy and people procrastinate. We don't want them to order in 5 minutes. We don't want them to order a day from now, because if they wait 5 minutes or a day from now, they can go and do other things and they might forget all about us. We want them to order right now, okay? So let me show you how we can do this. The first way is you can add some kind of deadline, okay? Although when you add a deadline, you're typically gonna see the most results at the end. But adding a deadline creates a sense of scarcity, and that means it's going away. And again, because people procrastinate, they're gonna get it at the very last minute so they can still get it. You can offer what's called a discount because. So these are really popular in online funnels. So whenever you buy like a $7 book, for example, you'll see 1 or 2 upsells. And then typically what they say in these upsells is, listen, I'm giving you this blah, blah, blah for like 25% off, and I'm only giving this to you today because you're seeing this specific page. So if you click away, that's okay, but you're never gonna get this offer at this price ever again. So that would be a reason why, is because you're seeing this page. Or is another way that you can add sales pressure if you wanna add like some kind of scarcity. You can say this, but you would tailor it to your own kind of product or something similar. You can say, listen, I've only printed 1,000 copies, so once they're gone, that's it. I'm pulling this offer and it's never gonna be available again. That would be a way that you can create scarcity and add some kind of sales pressure. But with that being said, that's gonna be the 3 things that every offer needs to make it irresistible to your market. I can guarantee you, if you include these 3 things I talked about in your current offers, it will help you sell more. I promise you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and go ahead and comment down below what you thought of this video. If you think I missed anything or you want to add to these 3 things, go ahead and let me know as well. Always looking to learn, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. And with that being said, thanks for watching.